A cheap gas station cigar and a fine Cuban may look similar, but any connoisseur will tell you there's a huge difference in quality. Dustless Blasting cares a lot about quality. That's why all of our revolutionary abrasive blasters are built right here in the United States by skilled craftsmen. And why they become the #1 choice for folks who are starting their own mobile paint stripping and cleaning businesses. Did you know you can start a business with these machines? Did you know the mobile paint stripping and cleaning industry is valued at $10 billion? Did you know you can start this business for under $50,000? Did you know this is actually a beef stick? Savory. Visit dustlessblasting.com to learn more about these incredible machines and the opportunity they've created for clever entrepreneurs all over the country.